Did you know the Earth is constantly changing? Can you see the changes? If you said yes, you were right. The Earth is constantly changing.
In second grade, we learned that the Earth can have slow and quick changes. Some changes happen slowly, such as erosion or weathering. Some quickly, such with landslides, floods, and volcanoes. Here are some pictures to give you a glimpse of our learning.
Got in small groups and we researched how land changes. Landslides can occur on very steep slopes, as steep as 60% to 70%.
My favorite part of the project was building the model and learning more about volcanoes, like why they erupt and how they erupt. This will like us to build a dam and levee to stop the water from flooding the farm.
I like how you guys spoke loud and clear and didn't goof around.
I think that when you point to the pictures, maybe you can't get in the way of the poster so everybody can see.
I really liked presenting to the parents because it felt like I was in front of a lot of other people and sharing my ideas to a lot of other people, and it was really fun making things with the whole class.